Properly operating paving equipment and following best practices is crucial to achieving a durable, high-quality pavement. A paver has two main components, the screed and the tractor. The screed spreads, smooths, and provides initial compaction of the asphalt mix, while the tractor pulls the screed, receives the asphalt mix, carries it through the machine back to the augers, and uniformly distributes the mix across the width of the screed. The mix begins its journey through the paver when it enters the hopper or hopper insert if a material transfer vehicle is used. Slat conveyors then transport the material through the flow gate and into the tunnel. Keep these best practices in mind during this process. Keep the hopper filled above the flow gates by adjusting the flow gate opening and slat conveyor speed to align with the auger speed, reducing segregation. Do not fold the hopper wings between trucks. Ensure the material flow rate matches the paving train speed while adjusting the tractor speed separately as needed. Avoid sudden speed changes caused by delivery trucks. Next, the mix exits the tunnel into the augers, which spread it evenly in front of the screed. The slat conveyors should steadily feed mix to the auger. Set the material supply and auger speed to maintain the material at mid-height of the auger stem. Most pavers automatically control the depth of the head, and the speed is often controlled by sonic sensors. The ends of the augers must be within 18 inches of the end plate of the screed. If auger extensions are necessary, use tunnel extensions too. A free-floating screed operates by maintaining a delicate balance of forces. To remain suspended in the mix while being towed by the tractor unit, these forces must be in equilibrium. The forces applied to the front and underside of the screed are counterbalanced by its weight and towing force. Maintaining a steady material flow, a consistent angle of attack, a uniform head of material in the auger chamber, and a stable paver speed ensures a smooth, even mat. Operators must balance forces on the screed to keep it at the right elevation. If the forces change, the screed will move up or down, changing the mat thickness. The elevation of the screed's tow point settings is the main adjustment. Keep the line of pull parallel to the final surface. The angle of attack affects both the elevation and the surface texture. Paving speed also impacts the screed. As the paver's speed increases, the upward force from the material passing under the screed decreases. With less support, the screed's weight causes it to drop. If the tow point remains unchanged, the screed pivots around it, increasing the angle of attack until a new equilibrium is reached at a lower elevation, producing a thinner mat. Try to balance the paver speed with the material rate of delivery to minimize stopping the paver. Adjust the tow point, speed, and angle of attack to compensate for mix stiffness, which also impacts the screed elevation. The grade control system keeps the screed tow points aligned smoothly. Automatic grade controls adjust these points to maintain a consistent mat thickness. By following these best practices, you can avoid mat problems and create durable asphalt pavements.